Hey guys, hello. Welcome to a late upload of the 31st of March is training session. Okay. Um, I did not take a trade because I was at the Gunner concert. Okay. And on top of that, I don't think even then I would have had a trade opportunity apart from very early New York AM, which obviously I missed because of the Gunner concert. So we came into the day bullish. Okay. And we were respecting neither bullish or bearish PD arrays with clarity. Okay. So what was I doing? I was remaining patient. News, we had 10 a.m. jolts. Okay, so draws on the day. If we look at today, we can see they still have a large 4-hour range that is not balanced. This is 4-hour range. Okay, that's still not balanced, right? NQ also reacts off of the CE of the monthly gap. Okay, right here. Possible draws on today are the previous day's high, right next to the bearish daily gap. So here, and further up into the deep premium of this range. Okay. This is a more conditional day due to the lack of clear information on the daily structure. Okay, ES closed bullish and NQ closed bearish right on the daily candle. Draw to the downside is the engineered liquidity within the monthly gap. So these lows. Okay. Before we get into 12 m, I'll talk about 18 open. So what do? We move lower before moving higher. Okay, we form a Judah swing. Okay. In terms of midnight, we get the same thing. Right, so price moves lower and then move a little bit higher, but we can see that we are in an overall chart. Okay. Now, during London and Asia, what can we see? Well, we can see that Asia had a massive pump, and that I think this was due to Trump releasing some sort of news. And we reached into yesterday's point of control. Okay, so we can see that they're lining up. So we've got ultimate equilibrium right now. Okay, ultimate fair price. And Social does not provide anything of importance at the minute. Okay, and seems to have formed a range of its own after Asia pumped. Okay, so we're using the Asia high, and then this intermediate, not intermediate, but like intermediary between the two sessions low, and we're just consolidating through it. Okay. Now in terms of this, everything gets blanked out, but let's just look at the chart as to what happened, right? In terms of yesterday, so let's go to the 15-minute chart so we can actually see all the sessions. So looks like I was correct. Okay, so we had this was let me actually remove these things. Okay, so we can see this was the chop. Market opens, and then we have a retracement. Okay, a deep premium retracement. Actually, matter of fact, let's just kind of skim through this. Do we reach this one? Yes, we do. Okay, so we move to that. Do we reach this one? Yes, we move to that. Okay. And then at this point, obviously, we can see that we have this range where we deep premium respect the 0.79 level. And we have a massive rally. Lunch has the biggest rally out of everything. Okay. And we pump up higher and we actually reach all of those levels, which is super clean. So reading on the bias is getting better. Nice. Okay. But yeah, no trade on today. Quick upload in terms of that. Just wanted to give you guys some information. I don't want to leave you stranded. Okay, so there's going to be a double upload on today, and I'm going to be diving into today's actual trading day. Okay, so I'll see you soon. Bye bye.